So, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And you can see I already opened scratch.mit.edu and I am in the events category. So, let's learn about events category. So, this is the when green flag is pressed. If I bring a hello blog, say hello for 2 seconds and put that there and go events category. This is the start button. If I click on this green flag, the cat says hello. That means this blog is the start button. And in events category, everything is the start block. Okay, let me delete this. So when space key is pressed, if I press my space key, then the cat says hello for 2 seconds. If I give wait, right arrow, then if I press the right arrow, the cat says hello. Okay, that's why sometimes you need this for all your projects and game. When you make only game, you need this. You have to use the WASD key and the left, right, up and down arrow keys and zero these numbers. So I hope you know what you need this. This is important. So when sprite is clicked, that means you know what is it. When sprite is clicked, if you click the sprite, then the sprite say hello. Excuse me, I itch my notes. Will say hello for 2 seconds if I click it. Okay? When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, say hello. If I give when backdrop switches to this, do nothing. So if I'm gonna go to the looks category and bring the next backdrop, if I click on it, if it's go in here in backdrop 1, the cat say hello. Okay, that's why sometimes this when backdrop change to backdrop 1, you need this. It's important for a cartoon or something like that. So events category, when like low okay, this will be in my other video. That's why I'm not gonna show you this today. So when I receive message 1, I'm gonna have another sprite from choose a sprite, click on it. And I think I'll take the ballerina small. So I'm gonna give her a broadcast message. And yeah, broadcast message is a message what a one sprite gives to another sprite like this. Okay, so I'm gonna give when sprite is clicked broadcast message 1, broadcast message 1. So when I receive message 1, say hello for 2 seconds and make the screen big. If I click on the ballerina, the cat says hello. Okay, that's why sometimes for a app you need this for making think. I'm sorry, I go to choose a sprite and click on it, and I have a button, another sprite like the apple. So let me make this say play. That was sorry. I like something. Okay. Without broadcast message one, you can make your own message like play is clicked, or you can give when green flag is click broadcast message broadcast play, or you can give. I'm just gonna go click, and when I receive play, say hello. Why play? Wait, hello. Player. So if I click on the play button, the Apple say hello player. So this you need the broadcast message. Let me go to new file new. Well, I'm gonna go to events category again, and you know all of the blocks now, the starting blocks. Broadcast message one. Let me do something to show you. And yeah, it was broadcast message one, wait and wait. So if I click on catch, that do nothing, doing nothing. That's why I think it's not useful that much. Even I don't use this block that much. I use green play and click and this. And I use for my cartoons this. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then give us a big like and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell to have more of these scratch videos. So I hope you guys like it and give us a like and subscribe our video and subscribe my channel. So bye.